Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and put notes in Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead first, access your Messenger app in your mobile phone. Make sure you have updated it, otherwise there is a chance for you to not to have actually the feature. Afterwards, you can see people do have some notes on top of the profiles, and that is how the notes gonna be featured, right? We're simply gonna go ahead tap on this plus icon on top of our profile, just given right over there. And here in this section, it's gonna call a share a thought, where we're gonna go ahead and you can see friends can see your notes for 24 hours. People won't get notification when you share. So if you even add any notes, nobody will be able to get notified, but they can see there and on top of your profile. So we're just gonna go ahead, type in anything. We can use we can type in text, we can add in the emojis, anything, and we can tap on the share option that is given on top right corner. And now we can see we did share our notes, and everybody will be able to see it just right over there. That is where you can put. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.